Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project that's building the highway from Harborview to Portland, and we're looking at section B2, which is building the highway from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge. Now, it was announced as recent as 2 weeks ago that this section of the roadway will be finished by April 2023. This is now the last week in March, so we're looking at 5 weeks for this section of the road from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallus Bridge to be finished. So we're taking a tour just to see what's going on, and we're going to give you updates every week between now and the end of April to see if it's really going to happen. So this is this section of the road between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles. The highway is going to run along the existing roadway. So they're going to expand the 2 lanes that were here into 4 lanes and put in the Jersey barrier, making it a dual carriageway. So that's the work you're looking at now, the expansion from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. But the entire highway runs from Harborview to Portland. So it goes through the parishes of St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and Portland. Now the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. The implementing agency is a National Works Agency, which is in the Ministry of, it's an agency in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. And the engineers are Stanley Jamaica Limited. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company has done an excellent job in Jamaica. They build all the major highways, the 3 miles overpass, and the construction on Spanish Town Road in Jamaica seems to have stalled. And it was local contractors. And the residents in the area are actually asking for China Harbour Engineering Company to be given the work or given the contract to finish the road, because they're just fed up with what's going on. It seems to have stalled, but you can check out the videos we have up of construction on Spanish Town Road to see what's going on. So over here now you can see that you can see the Jersey barrier going in. That's it there. And you can see the outline of what the highway is going to be now with the 4 lanes. The 2 existing lanes that were the main road that's going to be upgraded, and the 2 additional lanes that are going in to make it 4 lanes. And this highway is definitely a game changer for this side of the island. Without a doubt, they have never seen roads of this quality before. It has literally opened up the eastern part of Jamaica to investment. And the investments are flowing in, and the government is not only building a highway, they are building urban centers, they are upgrading the road infrastructure in Portland and St. Thomas. They're upgrading the fire stations, they're building new police stations. I mean, it's like they're rebuilding the eastern part of Jamaica. Guys, we're not a political channel. We don't talk politics. We are just telling you what works is on the way in this part of Jamaica. Never before have they seen roads like this. Never. Meaning the 4-lane dual carriageway. The road that we're driving on. We won't make that joke. But here again you can see the Jersey barrier going in. But for some reason I just don't see this section finishing in 5 weeks. I just don't see it. But as I said, we're going to come out here every week, because it's not impossible, but I just don't see it. Not 5 weeks. But this will give you an excellent overview of what the road is going to look like. 2 lanes on the left, and then the 2 lanes that we're driving on now. This is really nice. I'm really impressed with the work going on out here. And this is not a toll road. This is not a toll road. It is being built and financed by the Jamaican government. It's not a toll road. It's free to use. Okay, so now I know this thing won't be finishing in 5 weeks, because the police station is still up. On the right is the police station. Now they are building a new one, but they haven't knocked down this one yet, and this is in the path of the road. This is the Bull Bay police station. See, it's literally in the path of the road. So I guess they could knock it down in a few days. But as I said, we're most intrigued by this April 2023 opening date. So we will be over here every week giving you guys an update. And somewhere out here they're building a new police station. We're going to find out where and keep you guys updated on the progress of it. This section is close to being finished, because some sections are actually finished and you can drive on the finished sections. We have videos up of that, but there are other sections that just seem like they're going to take longer than 5 weeks. And this is the largest road project that the government has on the way as of today in Jamaica. The largest one. But there's one that's going to start this year that's going to be even larger than this. It's the upgrade or the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway. We have videos up of the project, so you can check it out. Northern Coastal Highway Expansion Project, and that will be the most expensive road in Jamaica. And not only it will be the largest capital expenditure in modern Jamaican history. Billions upon billions upon billions of dollars will be spent on that road, and that's only upgrading the road from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. The road actually runs from Negril through Montego Bay, through Trelawney, through St. James, through St. Anne, through St. Mary, all the way to Portland. It's the longest road in Jamaica by far. Alright, so we're now in the 11 miles area. Okay, looks like they've done some work over here on the right. So this is where the highway takes the new alignment and goes over the hill. But they've blocked it off. So we're going to show you what's going on, but we can't drive all the way on it. But we're just going to give you an idea of the type of road that St. Thomas. Actually, we're still in St. Andrew by the border. But we're just going to give you an idea. This is what the entire roadway is going to look like. Without a doubt, one of the nicest roads in Jamaica. You have to love the progress that's going on in Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.